We're now going to look at devices and what they mean. So on my GUI here, I have two rows of icons, little pictures, different shapes and sizes, which represent what we call devices, which are effectively inputs and outputs from the TerOpta GEM unit. And I have two rows in this instance of devices, and that's because in my network I have two TerOpta GEM units. And if I zoom in a little bit, and I can move across and position them where I want, each device has been given a unique default number, which can actually be changed to suit what you want. And in this instance, all of the devices in the top row begin with 0004, which happens to be related to that unit's serial number. And similarly on the bottom row, they're all called 0017, which again is to do with that unit's serial number. And then each device has a suffix that goes up from left to right and just gives each device a unique identifier. Obviously those numerical identifiers are okay, but in the future you might want to call them something different. So if we go into manager mode and then click on the actual label, a little box comes up that says enter new label. So I could delete that and put in something like WS3 for wall switch 3 and then apply, and the label changes to be that new number. And I could do that as I wanted to. As I set up the system, I could have heater 3 or northwest 1 for a light or whatever it might be. And I can make those labels mean something to me. So in the next couple of videos we're going to look at specifically at devices which are inputs and then devices which are outputs.